Hi, this is Mr. Tariq Salman, a math teacher at Amjad High School. In this video, I will show you how to use the classwiz calculator to solve polynomial equations. Let us start by the polynomial equation 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. This quadratic equation, how to solve this quadratic equation by using the calculator. Go to menu and navigate to get a equation and function. I put equal to go inside and I choose polynomial equation 2. Degree of the polynomial. The classwiz calculator can solve polynomial function, polynomial equation of degree 2, 3 or 4 degree. For the first equation I take degree 2, and now I have to enter the coefficients a, b and c. Here we have 2, 3 and negative 5. By putting equal, I get the solution. The first root x1 equal 1 and the second root x2 equal minus 5 over 2. If I continue by putting equal, I get the abscissa of the minimum of the parabola. This one is the abscissa of the minimum of the parabola, and another equal, I get the y, the ordinate of the minimum of this parabola. Okay, if I scan the QR code, if I scan, I put shift QR code and I scan this one by using my phone on the application. I scan this code. I can go to the Casio website, and I get here the graph of the parabola, and you can see the minimum here, the minimum point. Okay, here the point here in red and this point are the roots of this equation. Okay, let me return back to the calculator. I have to solve now an equation of third degree, a cubic equation. So go to menu, on first menu, another menu, A, choose 2 to polynomial equation, degree 3, and I enter the coefficient 1, negative 2, negative 1 and 2. Equal, this is the first root, the second root and the third root of the equation. Okay, if I scan the QR code, shift QR code, and I scan this one, I go to the website of Casio. We can see here the curve of the polynomial function, and you can see here the solution. The solution are minus 1, 1 and 2. Minus 1, 1 and 2. Okay, come back to the activity. Now I have to solve the degree, the polynomial equation of fourth degree. Okay, on menu, equation equal polynomial equation. Okay, degree 4. Enter the coefficient 1, 3, negative 3, 3, negative 4. The roots are x1 equal 1, the second root is minus 4, the third root is I is the imaginary complex number such that I squared equal minus 1, and the fourth root is minus I. Okay, now let us go to scan the QR code. I scan the QR code. This is the equation. We can see here only 2 roots, because on the function we can see only the roots, the real roots. This is the first root, and this is the second root. The roots are 1 and minus 4. 1 and minus 4. Okay. Now let us go to the simultaneous equation. To solve simultaneous equation, I go to menu, equation, but I don't choose the second option, polynomial. I choose simultaneous equation 1, number of unknowns. The classwiz calculator can solve from 2 to 4 unknowns. System of 4 unknowns with 4 equations. 4 equations with 4 unknowns. Okay, in our example here, I have a system of 2 equations with 2 unknowns. So I choose 2. I have to enter the coefficient 2, 3, 5. For the second equation, minus 1, 2, here I have to be careful because minus 3 is before the equal. I have to take the minus 3 to the second member and I put on the calculator 3. This is the root x equal 1 over 7 and this is y equal 11 over 7. The point of intersection of the two, those are two straight lines. The point of intersection is 1 over 7 and 11 over 7. If I scan the QR code, we can see on the website the point of intersection of the two lines. This point having coordinates 1 over 7 with 11 over 7. Okay, thank you to see this video. Goodbye.